In the world of home security, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera system competes fiercely with other top-tier systems like the Google Nest Cam with Floodlight and the eufyCam 3.2 Cam kit. Each of these systems offers unique advantages and disadvantages, catering to different needs. Below is an in-depth comparison of these three home security products, outlining their strengths and weaknesses. 1. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera System. Overview? The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera system offers a versatile and feature-rich package with 2K HDR video recording, color night vision, a built-in spotlight, and wireless installation. Its integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit makes it a favorite among smart home enthusiasts. Pros: high-quality video. 2K HDR ensures crystal-clear footage, even in low-light conditions. Color night vision. This feature offers enhanced visibility at night, helping identify objects and individuals. Wireless installation. Easy to set up without requiring complicated wiring. Smart home compatibility. Works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Spotlight and siren. Built-in features deter intruders effectively. Weather resistant. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Cons: subscription required. Full access to advanced features and cloud storage requires an Arlo Secure subscription. Limited battery life. Users may need to recharge cameras more frequently if installed in high-traffic areas. Higher cost. The system is on the expensive side compared to other home security options. Amazon. Amazon. 2. Google Nest Cam with Floodlight. Overview. The Google Nest Cam with Floodlight offers a unique blend of advanced surveillance and smart lighting. It records in 1080p and integrates seamlessly with the Google ecosystem, making it an ideal choice for Google Home users. Pros: advanced motion detection. Uses AI to distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles. Smart lighting. Floodlights automatically turn on when motion is detected, adding a layer of deterrence. Seamless Google. Integration. Works flawlessly with Google Assistant and Google Home devices. Continuous recording. Offers 24/7 recording with a Nest-aware subscription. Two-way audio. Allows homeowners to communicate with visitors remotely. Cons: subscription dependency. Full features, such as intelligent alerts and video history, require a Nest-aware subscription. No HomeKit support. Not ideal for Apple Home users. Wired installation only. Requires a professional installation if you lack electrical expertise. Lower video resolution. Compared to Arlo's 2K, the 1080p resolution may feel lacking for some users. Amazon. 3. eufyCam 3.2 Cam kit. Overview. The eufyCam 3 is a standout security system that emphasizes privacy by storing data locally, without requiring a subscription. This system features 4K video recording and long battery life, making it an appealing choice for users seeking both clarity and convenience. Pros: 4K video resolution. Captures highly detailed footage, surpassing many competitors. No subscription fees. Local storage means no ongoing costs. Long battery life. Can last up to 180 days on a single charge, minimizing maintenance. HomeKit compatibility. Works well with Apple HomeKit, in addition to Google and Alexa. Weatherproof design. Reliable in various weather conditions. Cons: limited cloud storage options. While it supports local storage, cloud backups are minimal without a subscription. Expensive hardware. The upfront cost is higher due to advanced features like 4K video. Occasional AI detection issues. The AI occasionally misidentifies objects or animals. Heavier cameras. The larger battery and design make the cameras bulkier compared to competitors like Arlo. Amazon.